guys, today I have brought you a new model from the Nothing sub brand CMF, that is CMF Phone 2 Pro. So it has a robust design and modular design, giving a compelling features in its price segment. So let us go deep into its various specifications and special features at an affordable price. So let us go deep into it. Before going to it, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on the all icons button for further notifications. So let's go. So this is Nothing CMF 2 Pro. So this has a modular design for various accessories that can be opted, and it also has a back cover that can be changed according to your style and taste. Hello guys, this is CMF Phone 2 Pro from Nothing. So as you all know that CMF is a sub-brand of Nothing. So Nothing has a signature style in its design. So all the tech enthusiasts who aspire to have a eye-catching design in their hands will prefer this Nothing brand. So this too has the Nothing signature in its design. So I will explain what are the specific design features that catch your eyes in this model. So this is Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro. So this has various specifications including a robust modular design. So what is this modular design? So modular design is nothing but there are certain aspects in this design which can be altered as per your taste. So this gives a fun along with a functionality feature. So you can expand in its functionality usage to different aspects, like changing the back cover as per your taste and changing the various other accessories like fish eye camera lenses and some other extra accessories that can be incorporated with this phone like kickstand, etc. So next, coming to other design features, it has a dimensions of 164 into 78 into 7.8. So this 7.8 is the sleek thickness that the Nothing is offering. And the most important thing is it weighs only 185 grams. So this is the lightest Nothing phone ever till date. So next, this also offers stainless screws at its back, and there are aluminum camera surrounds that are present in the camera surround. So this provides a durability, at the same time increases its aesthetics. So this is the most modular smartphone in the current scenario, so which provides a fun-filled features. Next, the most important aspect in this CMF Phone 2 Pro is it has IP54 rating also. So there are many smartphones in this price segment which doesn't offer any IP rating. So that means here it is at least offering IP54 rating. So it is ingress protection rating against dust and water sprays. So even the lab test confirmed that even it can survive 20 centimeters of depth in waters for about 25 minutes. So this is as per the lab test. Okay, don't ever try at home. So next, coming to the display, it has a large 6.77 inch flexible AMOLED LTPS display, so which has a 120 Hz of refresh rate along with Full HD plus resolution. And the most important point here is it has a 3000 nits of peak brightness. Next, it is also guarded by a Panda glass for its robust protection against scratches. Next, the most important part in this is the processor. So it has been provided with MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro version, It is a slightly higher refined version of MediaTek Dimensity 7300 version. So it is a 4 nanometer octa-core processor which has a CPU configuration of 4 cores clocked at 2.5 GHz and 4 cores clocked at 2 GHz of clock speed. So next it has a powerful and efficient GPU, that is Mali G615 MC2, and it is available in two configurations, that is 8 plus 128 GB configuration, which is priced at 18,999, and 8 plus 256 GB configuration, which is priced at 20,999. So the another very important upgrade is its battery. It has a huge 5000 mAh battery that supports 33 watts wide speed of charging, and it also has a 5 watt reverse charging. That means you can use this phone to charge other devices in emergency. And as per the lab test, this battery provides up to 22 hours of YouTube streaming and up to 22 hours of net browsing. So next, it has a 90% of capacity even after 1200 charge cycles also. And the most important point is it has been provided with, so it has stereo speakers. Next, coming to the most important aspect of this mobile is the camera. So it has a triple rear camera system that has a main camera of 50 megapixel resolution, which has a 1 by 1.57 inch sensor size, and it has a PDAF feature also. And next, it is equivalent to 24 mm focal length. And the most important point is the telephoto lens. So it has a huge 50 megapixel resolution telephoto lens, which has 1 by 2.88 inch sensor size, which is equivalent to 50 mm focal length. And this has a 2x optical zoom capability and 20x digital zoom capabilities. Next, it also has an ultra-wide camera, that is a 8 megapixel camera that has a 1 by 4 inch of sensor size, which is equivalent to 15 mm focal length. And coming to the front side, so the front camera is 60 megapixel front camera. So this camera system can support 4K resolution at 30 frames per second on the rear camera. So this is the versatile camera system that provides a high resolution video recording and a very excellent photography experience at its price point. Now at this price point, that means under 22,000 price segment, so there is no other smartphone in the country right now is providing a telephoto lens of 50 megapixel resolution. So this is one of the deal breaker point at this price segment. And so this is about all the features on an overview. I have some special features that drag my attention to this model. So those special features are the exchangeable back cover. So this back cover can be changed as per your taste at any time while your usage at any time in the life. So this is one feature, and another feature is the telephoto lens. And next, the most important feature that clicked my boxes are the expandable storage. This smartphone also provides an expandable storage up to 2 terabytes. Especially for the content creators, this expansion feature is very important. So this is all about Nothing CMF2 Pro guys. So how do you like the video? So please subscribe the channel and keep watching and keep in touch for further videos. Thank you. Bye.